Welcome to this emergency relaxation meditation for stress, panic, and anxiety. Start by taking a comfortable seat and close your eyes. Take a few long, deep breaths in and out, allowing your body to release any tension and tune into the flow of your breath. Follow each breath from the start of inhalation all the way through to the end of each breath out. With each breath out, allow your body to become heavy and sink further into your seat, allowing any tension to melt away with each breath out. Observe your feeling of stress or panic, knowing that it is only a thought and cannot cause you any harm. Observe this feeling with openness, knowing that like all thoughts, it is temporary and shall pass. Continue to breathe as you allow any tension or stress to release with each breath out. And slowly bringing your attention back to the room, gently allowing your eyes to open.